हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू शार्वी का।
पिटारा।
नहीं, वहां जाने की जरूरत नहीं, अपने आप पकड़ेगा वो आवाज। तो भाई लोग, ऐसा है, हम बहुत दिन एब्सेंट थे। उसके लिए तो पहले हम माफी मांगते हैं आपसे। आपसे हमारे स्टोरीज रेगुलर आएंगी, वीकली आएंगी, डेली भी आ सकती है। तो द स्टोरी दैट वी आर गोइंग टू रीड टुडे इज द बोट राइड बाय हरमिंदर ओहरी।
Yes.
ओके, सो द इट सो हैपेंस, शुड वी स्टार्ट शार्वी?
Yes, sure.
And by the way, happy Holi to all our subscribers and all our viewers. Okay, Sharvi?
Okay.
In a small garden in the tree, a family of in the small oh sorry, I beg your pardon. In a small garden in the city, there was a big people tree. People tree कौन सा होता है?
Um.
Banyan. तो banyan tree होता है ना शार्वी? A family of squirrels lived on that tree. Vicky is one of the member of the family who likes to talk big. Talking big का मतलब क्या होता है?
Hmm?
टॉकिंग बिग का मतलब क्या होता है? टॉकिंग बिग मतलब को स्कूल में कोई लड़का है, लड़की है, और बोलता है अरे मेरे पास तो इतने बंगले हैं, इतने गाड़ी है, इतने ये है, इतने वो है, और उसके बाद तो जो है फ्री फायर में, पबजी में मैं ही जीतता हूँ हमेशा, दिस दैट उसे बोलते हैं, ठीक है? सो विक्की इज अ वन फैमिली मेंबर ऑफ दैट फैमिली हु लाइक्स टू टॉक बिग. हिज कजन काटो had come to visit him from far forest. Today we shall go on a big boat, said Vicky to Kato. But I am afraid of water. I cannot swim, mumbled Kato. Come on, you scrappy squirrel. With Vicky around, you need not to be afraid. I have been on board many times. Vicky importantly leading the way, they reached the river. Shall we have been to a river?
Yes.
When?
In 2019.
Okay, to all my viewers, all our viewers, please share your experience that you had when you first visited a river. Okay? And so it so happened the boat was tied to a post, and they ran up the rope, hopped into the boat, and sat curled in a corner. Slowly, the boat started moving up and down the river, which curled and curved through the trees. Kato saw many ducks swimming past them. The fish put their head out of the water and gulped, "Hello!" Some swans glided majestically near them. Have you seen swans?
Yes.
Okay. And have you seen fishes?
Yes.
How does a fish make the mouth? कैसे कैसे सारी वन सेकंड like that. So fish actually, when she is making a mouth like, they actually it is pouting for a selfie. Okay.
Okay.
So they were so beautiful that Kato tried to touch one the swans and he toppled over into the river. कैटो जो था वो रिवर के अंदर गिर गया पानी में. कैटो कौन था? विक्की का कजन, जो स्क्विरल था, जो कि फॉरेस्ट से आया था. एज ही वेंट डीपर इनटू द वाटर, ही पास सम फिशेस. हेल्प हेल्प, ही गगल्ड एज ही पास द बोट. सो जो कैटो जो था ना, वो पानी में गिर गया, उसको कुछ फिशेस थी, उनसे कह रहा था हेल्प हेल्प, बचाओ बचाओ, एज ही पास द बोट. सो विक्की डिड नॉट नो व्हाट टू डू. He just scrambled from one side of the boat to the other side of the boat, shouting, "Help! Squirrel overboard! Squirrel overboard! Squirrel overboard!" A swan had seen Kato fall into the water. She just put her head down in the water and picked up Kato in her beak, like this. Okay, then she tossed him into the boat. A shivering, shiver कैसे करते हैं? Shivering and trembling कैसे करते हैं? Trembling. A shivering, trembling Kato sat in a sunny corner to dry himself. Vicky sat quietly near him. As he got warm and dry, he cheered up. What an adventure! Wait till I tell the folks back home. He fancied himself as a sailor, a hero, brave and adventurous. When the boat reached the bank, the squirrel hopped off and swaggered their way home. Kato was finding it difficult to keep his grand adventure inside his head. His head was going round and round like a boat.
Like the boat.
Like the boat, he shut his eye and fell fast asleep at the dinner table. Sharvi, what is the moral of the story? Moral of the story is we should be very careful when we are going somewhere near water or any place else. When we are making adventure with our cousins and our friends, we should be careful that we do not hurt ourselves. Okay?
Okay.
Until the time we come again with another story. This is thanks and like. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Sharvi ka
Petara.
Pitara.